Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. This is 1st of November 2024 and we are so excited. We are super excited to be alive and to be in good health till this time of the year. The year is actually rapidly coming to an end and yes, it's been success throughout the year 2024. And talking about success, we just successfully implemented and we have successfully come to the end of the season 8 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. It was indeed an amazing one. We had over 67 contestants who registered for this competition, and we had about 50-something people who actually submitted their video clips for the competition itself. It was indeed an amazing moment to actually take contestants from the registration process into the main competition, which we of course released the general beat for the competition, and all artists actually did their composition and submitted their video entry for this competition. It was indeed an amazing one to see how talented you all are and how ready you guys are ready to take up your career in music industry. And talking about career in music industry, Elegant Empire Music is actually like the most formidable platform you can ever look at for if you want to be a successful music artist. So, AFROMUSIC Talent Show is that platform that will give you that opportunity to live your dreams. Just in case you are struggling all alone with the process of recording your tracks, the process of doing video clips, and the process of promoting your songs and getting yourself out there in the limelight. That is surely the reason for the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. Alright, so this opportunity will not actually come to you in a platter. There is a process for which we will select you and give you that needed support that you need as a rising artist. And that process is the process of the AFROMUSIC, where you are going to be able to do your entry and then send your video clips to your friends, families, and for them to actually vote for you. And it is through the process of the voting that we usually select contestants, which of course will become the winner, and others that will be selected for consolation prizes. And for this edition of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show, which is actually the season 8 edition, we have successfully come to an end, letting you guys know the process of the voting and how it went and who actually is the winner for the season 8 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. Ladies and gentlemen, I am standing here to actually announce to you that we have no winner for this edition of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. Alright, so before the competition started, we already sent a document that contains all the information that you need to know about the AFROMUSIC Talent Show to all contestants. And we told you the process with which we will select who will be the winner of this edition of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. And we already said that the winner for this edition of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show must have at least 500 votes before we can categorically say you have won. So if you are expecting to be the winner of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show season 8, then you should have had at least 500 votes and above. Alright? But in this edition of AFROMUSIC Talent Show, we unfortunately did not have any contestant who scored even 150 votes. So poor. So poor. But luckily to these contestants, we had about 4 of them who had actually gotten to the needed cut-off votes that will enable them to be selected for consolation prizes. So we only have 4 contestants who have actually been successfully selected for consolation prizes, and we do not have the winner for the season 8 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. We pray that in the season 9, we should be able to have people or a contestant that will successfully be given the star prize. But for this edition, we unfortunately do not have the winner. So if you're watching now and you're wondering when is the season 9 going to be kicking off, season 9 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show is kicking off on the 1st of December 2024. So be the first to be a contestant and be ready to submit your entry and to also back it up with votes so you can win the star prize alongside other record deals and contracts that we have for you if you get to that cut-off votes of whatever the cut-off votes is going to be for the season 9 of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. So with no much ado, I want to announce that the highest voter for this edition of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show is no other person but Amzileski. Amzileski, if you're watching us right now, you tried to actually come all out with a total number of 109 votes only. 109 votes have made you the highest voter for this edition, and you have been selected successfully for the consolation prize. So guys, the next person that has been successfully selected for a consolation prize is no other person but Kachikis. Kachikis, wherever you are, you have been selected for consolation prize and you scored a total number of 80 votes. Congratulations to you. Alright, so the next contestant that has successfully been selected for the consolation prize is no other person but God bless Isaiah. God bless Isaiah, wherever you are. You scored a total number of 87 votes only. Congratulations to you. You have been selected for the consolation prize. And the last contestant actually that has been selected for consolation prize is no other person but Niyi Nice. Niyi Nice, wherever you are, you have been selected for consolation prize. You scored a total number of 60 votes, which is actually the cut-off vote for contestants to be selected for consolation prize. So guys, the 4 contestants that have been selected successfully for consolation prizes should actually relax and head straight to the group chat for more details on how they are going to come all out to our office and meet with us live and direct to get their contract deals, and which of course is the consolation prizes that we have for them. Alright, so if you're watching right now, even the people that have been selected for consolation prizes can actually still contest in the season 9, which is coming up on the 1st of December 2024. And if you're watching and you want to be a part of what we are doing for artists here, the career support that we are giving to upcoming artists via the AFROMUSIC Talent Show, and you want to be a part of it, be the first to register on the 1st of December 2024 and be a part of the season 9, which is coming up. Thank you very much guys for watching till this time, and I wish you all the very best throughout the month of November 2024. Thank you very much. My name remains Elegant Fabio. I am the project director of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show. See you when I see you.